goodness, guys, it is crazy out here. Super crazy. Hopefully we make the good tips today though. So I did get my first order, which kind of sucks. It's 3 miles, it's $3, 8 miles, which I normally don't take, but I am a platinum basher, and I think right now I'm at like 71%. So to get my acceptance rate up, to keep getting good orders, I have to take it. I know it sucks, I normally don't take it, but just to get my acceptance rate up, I took it. So yeah. Which way we're supposed to go? It's so bad over here. Guys, it took longer than expected. DoorDash wanted me to take a picture of my insulated bag. Alright. Alright. So it's just gonna be 3.6 miles to get there, which isn't bad, so that's why I still kinda take them, you know. Especially if you want to get your acceptance rate up. I just had to wait a few extra minutes, which that McDonald's is really, really good with having their stuff on time. I think it's just a busy morning for everybody. Yeah, driving in the snow really is no biggie for me because I'm used to it. I lived here all my life. We have, what, 4 seasons? So, yeah. No biggie for me. Just gotta go slow, and you can't really hit your brakes when you're sliding and all that good stuff. You have to like really feel for it, you know. But I still drive slow though. It looks so pretty. Leave at lobby. Be right back. Alright guys, I just got another order for 7.9 miles. Got to pick up from Jersey Mike's and Speedway. I am doing an alcohol order, so I will have to have my ID with me. Alright guys, I just arrived at Jersey Mike's. It was a crazy drive, but yeah. At least we made it. Goodness guys, I have snow all over my face. Alright, so we got this. We'll do done pickup. And I think now we have to go to Speedway. so I just picked this up, the alcohol, which happy Friday, you know, turn up, ain't nothing wrong with it. So I just picked that up. It's from the same person, and let's see how far it's gonna be. It's literally 0.41 miles from everywhere, so it's not even a full mile. So yeah, she tipped pretty decent. Is that it? Yep. Am I gonna be able to go? Okay, I just have to park here real quick, so let me drop this off.
Hello.
Alright guys, that was crazy. Alright. Gee, that was crazy. It was like the snow kept getting on my phone. But yeah. I got one for Buffalo Wild Wings, 7.4 miles for $6.25. Like I said, I'm trying to get my acceptance rate up. And I have the time to do that today, because I usually just dash like on Friday, Saturday. I usually just dash for 3 hours after work. And they send me really good orders. So I want to keep those orders up, you know. Oh, can I not go down this way? Oh my goodness. They did not plow this road. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Am I able to? Let's see if I could just go over it. Yeah, I just went over it. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. It is crazy out here. And I'm gonna have to turn my camera off because I think it's getting overheating. I have the GoPro, so you know how these are. I literally feel like I'm driving on clouds. That's crazy. Okay guys, so as I was on my way here, I got an additional order for $12.50 for an extra mile. So it'll be a double pickup at Buffalo Wild Wings. Let's see how long it'll take. 11:41, and this one will be ready by 11:41. Alright, yes, I'm gonna go grab those, and then I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, I just picked this order up. Put this in here. Alright guys, I don't know why my car did that. Alright, so we picked those up. The orders were already ready. I was just waiting on the drinks, which took longer than ever, but it's fine. I gotta make sure they have their drinks, you know. Wait, can I go? Which way can I go? Looks like this car is stuck. What's going on? I don't think they stuck, but I think they're trying to turn down that street. Alright, so we're gonna go to the first house, the first guy that ordered from Buffalo. Good thing I have all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, so that's the only reason why I'm out here. If I did not have this, I would not be out here right now. It's not worth it. Not worth it getting stuck. supposed to leave this at? OMG. Alright, let's see. Leave it at door. Okay. Look at that. OMG. Okay, they're coming out now, so. See you guys soon. Thank you. I was like, I know they don't want their food on the porch.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me get your food. This. All right, perfect. I think yours is in this one. Yeah. Wait, is this? Yeah. Okay. They like tape it shut, so I can't like grab it. You might have to grab it from the bottom. I'm just gonna take a pic real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Guys, drop off number 1. So we're gonna go to, right now I'm at 2340, and I've been out here for what, 1 hour 40 minutes, and now I'm gonna go do this 1250 order. The mail lady stuck. Whew. Alright guys. Alright. Well, we all tried to help, but she's gonna have a tow truck sent out. You know, I just hate to be in that predicament. Oh my god, these people are gonna get their food late. Alright, it's fine though. It's fine. I would want someone to help me, you know? That's the thing. Remember when I was stuck in the snow and no one helped me? This was years ago though, when I lived in an apartment building. But yeah. Woo! Just slid. But yeah, I pray that she gets help soon. Alright guys, we're almost to our destination. We'll be there in about 2 minutes. But it is so crazy out, like, can't see anything. It's really dangerous. You guys, see you guys soon. Hopefully no cars come. Alright guys. Okay guys, I got one for $17.50, going 14 miles. So that's pretty decent. Alright guys, I just arrived at Revolution Pizza. So I have 2 pickups. I'm gonna actually bring in my pizza bag because it looks like there's a lot of items, so BRB. drop it. I'm so glad they shoveled. So I think I put it in the garage. Leave it at door. Put the front door, let's see. Okay, so I think the front is on the side there. Let me see. Alright guys, I just dropped off at the first location. So now I'm gonna go to the second location, and that is only 8.12 miles. So it's really all together, it's really not 17 miles in total, you know. Yeah, I'm honestly just following the tracks because the two customers came out, so I put the camera down because it was in the house way in the back. So it actually came out, and then it was telling me I had to walk all the way over to the house in order for it to accept completed delivery. So yeah, that's what I did. I just had to walk back. I showed them and all that, so I didn't think I was like being creepy or nothing. Just want to verify that it's there, you know. I mean, I know they won't steal or nothing, but just on the app itself, I really don't want any problems. But I'm gonna let my GoPro charge during the 8 miles, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I was letting my GoPro charge, but after I completed that last Revolution Pizza delivery, it was at an apartment, so I really couldn't get any footage of that. But right after, I got a pickup. Right after that, I got a double order for $17.50 going 14 miles. And it's cool because it's towards the same person. It's going to the same person, so close. Alright, so we went to Burger King, and then I'm just now leaving the Mexican restaurant. And that was already ordered. That was already ready, which is great. So yeah. Hopefully I can go around here. Oh, I can't? Okay. Gotta go this way. But yeah, it's a pretty good day so far. So when I last looked at my total amount, I was at $47.50. So I started at what, like 10:30 or 10:50? I'm not even sure. So 10:50, 11:50, 12:50. So it's been 4 hours. So after this delivery, which will take me 15 minutes. Hey guys, I just picked up the order. So the Chick-fil-A order. I'll put it in the hot bag. And then this one is going 4.33 miles. So ooh. Alright. It's a really tight squeeze in this parking lot. I'm always picking up from this Chick-fil-A. 7 items there. Alright guys, I just dropped off that Walgreens order, which was $10.50. So right now I'm at $79. I did accept a Chipotle in Jersey Mike pickup. Hopefully it's the same, going the same place for $8 going 12 miles, but that's counting me here going to the restaurant plus dropping the food off and stuff. So yeah, like I said, I'm trying to boost my acceptance rate. I normally wouldn't take it, but I really can't afford to lose my platinum right now. So yeah, so I'm probably gonna dash for about 3 more hours, 2 to 3 more hours until it gets dark. just because it does get kind of scary out here. But yeah, it's saying it'll probably take me 4.42 miles to get here. So yeah, I'll meet you guys there. Guys, hopefully it's ready. Guys, I love this plaza because look, I want to go here. Jersey Mike's is literally right over there. So that's where I'm about to go. Step right over here. I think I have to go into this way. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I have to go over here, I guess. But I could park up front, but I honestly don't feel like doing all that. Yep, Jersey Mike's is way over there. I don't know if you'll see me coming yet. Alright guys, I just picked up the Jersey Mike's one. So the Chipotle is kind of customer, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm probably gonna put this one in this there because the first one requires a pin. Just in case he has to come to the car. Or she, I don't know if it's a guy or girl, but just in case. Alright. And we'll put the Jersey Mike's in the bigger one because it doesn't fit in the smaller ones. Hey guys, I just dropped off the Chipotle order, which is a pin. Got her pin. And then now we're gonna go drop off this Jersey Mike's order. I think it's an apartment too because, this was a house, but I think the next one is an apartment or some type of company because it's saying X for the person, so yeah, no problem. Then they at least have that in the description. That's gonna take me 4.57 miles, so about 10 minutes. Roads are a lot better now. There was a bunch of people stuck, but I think I go here. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I would stay at a lot later, but I have to go to my first job tomorrow, and I'm working 9 to 6, so usually busy. Super busy, and I'm on my feet too all day, so we're gonna probably end this at 6. Right now it's 3:37, so I think by then it'll get dark. And right now I think I'm at like what, 85 or something after this drop off. Yeah, I usually make more during this time, but because with Instacart, but Instacart really isn't tipping that good. I think because everyone already had their Thanksgiving groceries and food and all that, so I'm just not messing with it today. It's really not worth it for me to go to the grocery store if it's anything under 30 for what they want. So probably just gonna stick to DoorDash today. So it's definitely a business. So yeah. Alright guys, I just dropped off the Jersey Mike's order. That definitely was a business. So yeah, I just got another one. Papa John's going 12 miles for $8. It's just one pickup, but it's gonna be like 6 miles there, and then probably like it has to be going 6 miles out. So if I was already close to the restaurant, that would actually be a good tip. But they wanted me to switch zones, but I don't like switching zones. I always hit no. So yep. Guys, I'm gonna go to Papa John's. I love Papa John's, they're so good. Okay, I just got one now. It's saying right now it wants me to do 23.7 miles, two orders, 5 units. Oh my god, 22 miles though? That's crazy. Yeah, so we're gonna try that. I know it's like crazy mileage, but it's gonna be dark soon anyway. So this might be actually my last one. Ooh, I just don't want to go in there. I honestly can't. I'm going off trail. Let me go back on trail. It's crazy out here. This is like a super long driveway. I always deliver to these people too. Alright, let me see. I have to turn right out of here. Because people are like, please don't get stuck. Yeah, that would suck. Big time. Alright, made it down the street. I just gotta follow the little trail. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be going to Giant Eagle. And I'm only shopping for 4 items. It say 4 items or something like that, so that's honestly nothing. It looks like simple stuff, so I'm gonna be in and out real quick. I'm getting additional extra that's a route. So just finished that up. About to go to Walgreens. Alright, they just sent me another Walgreens pickup shopping order. So for $8.25 or something. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Hey guys, I'm leaving Walgreens now. So turns out it was the same person that ordered. It was the same 2 people that ordered from Giant Eagle that also both ordered from Walgreens. Isn't that a crazy coincidence? But I'm gonna go drop this order off to this person. It's like literally right down the street, so it's like I barely burned any gas today, even though I did work all day, but it really didn't burn bad gas at all. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. All the lights. It's definitely feeling like Christmas. It's so pretty here at nighttime though. It turns out that these are separate customers, but it's still not even bad because it's like so close. So yeah, at nighttime it's just easy money. During the day it's a lot harder to make money, but yeah, this one's gonna take me 4 miles. I just dropped off the laundry one, so this one's gonna take me 4 miles. I think this is the other Walgreens one, which sucks because it's just pushing the Giant Eagle ones back super far, so hopefully they're not mad about it. But I just dropped off the 2 Walgreens orders. Now I'm gonna drop off the other 2 Giant Eagle orders. So the second Giant Eagle order is about 9.74 miles, and I think the other one is probably somewhere close to there, the same, because they both together added up to 22 miles or something like that. Alright guys, I just dropped off that 10-mile order. It really didn't take me too long. Now I'm gonna do the last order and I am done. I am so tired. So this one is literally only 3 miles away, 8 minutes, so it's gonna be super quick. Once I drop that off, then we're gonna do the numbers. And yeah, thank you guys for sticking around this long. Hopefully it's good numbers today, because I did two separate dashes because I like to break it up. So the first dash, I think I did like 80, and this one, I'm not sure. Yeah, last time I checked it was at like 39, but after I finish these ones it's probably gonna change, so we'll see. Alright guys, I just finished my last delivery. I'm headed home now. Oh my gosh, you can't even see me, it's so dark. but I just wanted to give you guys the numbers. So my acceptance rate was at 71%, and now it's at 75%, and that's with accepting every single order today. So I dashed from, I would say just 11. I dashed from 11 till 6:50, and during that time I made $141. So I think that's pretty good. My goal was 100 or like 110. So yeah, it's a pretty successful day. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.